Determine the components of reaction at A and B if 60 Newton load is applied at point D. So at A and B there is a hinge support, and at C again there is internal hinge, and they ask us to calculate support reaction at A and B. So again I am going to solve this question in two steps. Step 1 I am going to consider the external hinge, and in step 2 I will dismember the frame as there will be a development of member ACD or BCE, and while in step 2 we have to consider the internal hinge C. Now in the step 1 I am going to consider the external hinge. This is hinge support A, so there will be development of two reaction RAX, RAY. Again these are my assumed direction. I am going to consider at B. RBX is acting leftward and RBY is acting upward. So by applying conditions of equilibrium, I am taking moment at A is equals to 0, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Rx, Ray and Rbx at A will be 0, and RBY at A will be RBY into 50, and it is acting anti-clockwise, so it is taken as minus. And moment of this 60 Newton at A will be 60 into 50 plus 40, and it is acting clockwise. So in the first step we will be getting value of RBY, it is 108 Newton. Answer is plus, means my assumption is correct. It is acting in upward direction. Now the second condition, summation Fy is equals to 0, upward positive, downward negative. So therefore Ray is plus RBY is 108, and this 60 is acting downward, minus 60 is equals to 0. So Ray will be minus 48. Answer is minus, means assumption is wrong. It is acting in downward direction. Now going with the summation Fx is equals to 0. Rx rightward, Rbx leftward is equals to 0. Therefore I can say here Rx is equals to Rbx, and I am marking it as equation 1. Now proceeding with the step 2. Step 2, now I am dividing the frame into the two member. One member will be ACD and another will be the BCE. Now I can consider any one of the member for getting the solution, ACD or BCE. So I am going to draw the FBD of this particular member. Here there is an internal hinge C, so I am now this will come into the activation. I can assume it as a RCX. This will be RCY. The value of RAY is minus 48. So I am taking it as a minus 41, but minus 48, and my assumption it is that it was acting in vertical direction, Y direction. So I am taking it with the previous assumption and carrying the answer with the negative sign, and Rx is unknown. At the same time I will mark the dimensions here. 30, this is 50, and this is 40. At the same time, we will proceed with the, this is the FBD of member ACD. and FBD of member BCE at B, RBX is unknown and the value of RBY is plus 108. This is at C. I assume it is acting in rightward, so now I am considering it is acting in a leftward. And for Y direction, I assume it is acting upward. Now it is acting downward. Okay. So either I can consider ACD or BCE. Member BCE. Now I can consider any one of the member. I am going to consider member ACD for getting the desired solution. I am going to take moment at C is equals to 0. Rx into 30, it is acting clockwise. So plus moment of this 48 at C will be 48 into 50 clockwise. And its previous sign is minus, so I am taking it like that only. And moment of this 60 at C will be 60 into 40. And moment of this 2 at C will be 0. So here I will be getting value of Rx and getting the value of Rx as a 0. Now summation Fy is equals to 0. RCY is acting upward, so plus minus 60, and this is acting in upward direction with minus sign. So therefore the value of RCY is 108 plus means assumption is correct. It is acting upward. Now summation Fx is equals to 0. Rx is acting rightward, so plus. Rcx is acting rightward, so plus. Since Rx is 0, the value of Rcx will be 0. Rx is 0, therefore the value of Rcx will be 0. And in question, they ask us to calculate the reaction at A and B. In the first step, we got the value of RAY, RBY and Rx is equals to RBX. Therefore, from equation 1, can I say Rx is equals to RBX is equals to 0. Thank you.